Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So my people, today I want to talk about, let me talk about women. Today topic is about us. Last time the video I made is about children benefit. I talked about children benefits last time. And I also advise our men to stop asking women for children benefit. So my people, today's topic is not about the children benefit. Today's topic is about our own life, women. I want to discuss with us, we will be women. Please, me wanna just listen to me. Don't get me wrong. Why I'm saying about women every time, because I see what we are passing through. I see what women pass through. Women pass through a lot. That's why I want to give us some advice. Please and please, my beautiful sisters out there, if you are living with your husband, even if your husband they work, that cannot make you to not go and look for work. Even if you are collecting those children benefits, or if your husband is collecting those children benefits, or if your husband is working, try to find work. Try to work. Try to look for work. Don't depend on him until he bring those children benefit before you guys can save. Because if you look, some of our men, they collect those children benefit, but they cannot give you something that can even solve your problem and talk less to even say you want to save. But if you are working, you can plan. If you are working, you can plan to save for your children. So please, we women, we need to open our eye, because last video when I say shine your eye well. So this time around, you need to shine your eye. You know, they for Nigeria or Europe, now you day. If you depend to wait your husband making collect children benefits so that he can give you something, my sister, you are wasting your time. Don't depend on your husband. Don't depend on the husband. We know that the husband is, we know say husband, now then be the head of the house. But also we need to work. Because if you are working, you can able to raise money to keep before those children benefit come. And the man also will save those money before the children benefit will come. So when you guys gather those money together, you will see say those children benefits save no go even cause problem, no go even make you think which time that you will get the money and save it, because you are working and your husband is working. So please and please, may una try to work. I know say it's not easy for somebody to have children at home and be working. It's not easy. But what you go do, if person get children, you need to plan. So please, my sisters, go and look for something. If in an hour's work, if in an all-day work, go and look for something. It's very important. You see, this Europe where we did so. Some people will even stay for Libya before. They don't think say maybe one day problem go come and they will come out, leave Libya, come to Europe. So now the same thing, we don't know what thing will come up in Europe. When you stay here waiting for those children money and you don't go look for job, tomorrow if the government say, let everybody go to your country, because some people don't believe say maybe everything can change, but some people will be say live in Libya, we see how everything go wrong there, how everything happen there. They're supposed to think. So you need to think and you need to go and work and save money for your children. Make something back home. Make something back home. Don't be looking at those people that are spending money up and down, that are causing people that you don't buy woman hair, you don't do this one, you don't do this one, maybe you don't have money. Don't look them. All of them are just fake. All of them, they are living fake life. When you come inside their house, you will not find anything, my sister. You will not find anything. Some of them, they don't do for Europe 10 years, 15 years, but they have nothing to show up. It's only just women here where the city they buy woman hair, woman hair, woman hair. Now woman hair, now you want carry go back to Nigeria. Where be say people wait there for Nigeria, they even buy the woman hair where cost pass you where they Europe. So you need to work. This is the chance we get in Europe for we to work. The opportunity where we get for we to work. So that if we go back to home, people will know. Your family will know that you plan for your children. Because if we say we want to look these men, if we say we want to just hope for men and look for them, let them work and bring come, they will not. They will not satisfy you. Only a man cannot satisfy you for anything where you want. And you know you have a children to take care of. But if you are working and the man is also working, two of you feel help una safe to plan for those children. And you will keep something good for those children. So that if they don't grow up, they can see something that they can use for their own future. To say, see what my mommy do, see what my mommy do, see what my mommy keep for us. So for me, I think it's a good plan if we work as women to support the family, to support the children. I don't say work and give your husband because he's a man, he's the head of the house. Because sometimes you see, say, even the men, they say they are the head of the house, and we know that they are the head of the house. So they cannot depend for us for we to work and give them. But we can also try to work for our own children. For our children to grow and see what we do for them. And if you are a woman, I advise you today, if you are working, save your money. I'm telling you the truth. I'm not saying that woman cannot save money with her husband or with her boyfriend. I don't say so. But try to save your own private money. Because sometimes you will look, sometimes you look some business people where put money together with their wife. When they are doing that business, and if the business have some problems, you will see, say, nobody to raise the family up, because the money that two of them are saving, they put it to one place. And when the business fall up, no way to help. The woman cannot help the man because she don't have her own private account. And the man cannot see who will help him. So you will see the family, problem don't enter family, and everything will just turn upside down. And family will be having problems in marriage or in relationship. That's why I come up to say, let woman save her money. Even if you are having joint account with your husband, let that joint account they separate, and let your own private money they separate, so that if your husband do anything, or maybe he do business, or he's doing something and he fall out, or maybe the thing no work well, as a wife you can support him. That's why God call us, say, we women, we are a helper to them. We are not head, but we are a helper to support them when they are falling down. So that we can help them to raise them up. So my people, now what I see say is good for we to do. Even if your husband tell you, say, why are you saving your money? Give him reason why you want to save your money. Because of problems. Because nobody knows tomorrow. You know today, but you don't know what tomorrow will come up. So now we say you get the strength for you to think how to solve the problem before coming, to make things, to put things in order before problem will come. So I'm not saying that I'm perfect or I too know for all these things, but I'm just saying it for, I'm just saying what will help us in future. That's why, and what will make our children to grow without blaming any of us. So, and I believe say any man that have wisdom, any man that loving wife, when you give him, when you tell him the reason why you want to save your own money, or the reason why you need your own separate account, even having the family account and you need separate account, I believe say if the man, na man will be say they think of tomorrow, a man who love you will understand and he will reason with you that my wife, she is saying the right thing. So, and I believe say if your family do this, everything will come out well. So now what I see say we need to do, my people, we need to do, my women, my fellow women, we need to plan all these things. Please, let us plan. This Europe, where we do so, I believe say if we leave Europe, no anywhere again, oh, except if in heaven. If we not plan for here now, we not fit plan again. Except if we want to plan for heaven. Except if we want plan for heaven. But the best plan where we need to do is for this Europe where we dey. You go see some women, they don't dey for Europe here, as I said before. Some women dey for Europe here 10 years, but if I tell you, say they don't get anything. Because they no plan. Then things maybe as today be, na so tomorrow go be. They don't know say something can change tomorrow. They don't know. They believe that things they go well every day. They go well every day. Now so you will continue. No. As the day they break, now so will they get old. Now so will they match. Now so our age they add. And now so our children they grow too. So we cannot wait. The stuff where we don't suffer. The mistake where our own family make, we no position us well. We're not supposed to do the same mistake. We need now to think and adjust all those mistakes that our family make. Let us not make that the same mistake, because if we make that the same mistake, our children, they will end up the way we end up now. Suffering and looking for, running up and down. Some people there for Europe, 10 years, they never see their family because of things. They cannot go back. Because when they go back, the same problem that they live at home, then they will go and meet. So they need to hustle and meet up so that they can solve their own problems. So my people, this thing where they talk, me wanna follow me reason now. I not talk am to insult anybody. I not do this video to say that I too know. No. I just do this video for me to advise us, for we to plan well for our family, for our children. Because this Europe where we dey so, as African women, we not dey here say for only our own children. Some of us dey here, they take it. Some of us wait there for this Europe, we dey here, but now we dey take care of our family in Nigeria. I know. Now we dey do everything for them. Now we dey help our sisters. So if we not plan well, all these things, all this budget that we have in hand, we cannot fulfill them. We not fulfill them if we not plan it. So we need to plan well. We need to plan well, please. Please. Please, if you don't have work, pray for God. God will give you work. Try to support the family. And try to support your children before they grow up. Please. This is what I have for you guys today. I don't get anything much to talk, because last time I make about the men, and today I want to also talk about us. That's why I say, let me do this video. Please, may we help ourselves, my sisters. Don't look, say this person dey 10 years, you not do anything. And if I not do, who go talk? Nobody go talk. But plan for your own children. Plan for your own future of your children. Don't look what in person do. Do your own and God will bless you. And I pray that God will see us through. I pray that anything we lay our hand, that the blood of Jesus will cover that thing. God will make us reach to our destination. God will bless us. And God will see us through. So this is the advice of today. So if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe to your sister YouTube channel, because I promise on my YouTube channel, I promise on my own video that I'm making, I promise to be telling my people truth. I promise to come up. I pray for wisdom of God to give me wisdom to be telling my own people what they like to hear and know what will destroy them, what will help them in future. This is what I pray, that God will strengthen me, will give me the wisdom for me to be telling you guys. And I hope that my video cannot make you think wrong, cannot make you think that I'm trying to insult you or trying to correct you for something that you know. I know. You will know, but sometimes you need somebody to correct you. You need somebody to tell you. So, please, this is the ending of my video. I want to end this video now. So, if you like my videos and you love my advice, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can see more video and more advice that can take you to your next level. So, God bless you. See you on my next video. Ciao. I love you guys. Mwah.